It's the day after Boxing Day. We tied up in Birmingham city centre last night and went and had a lovely pub meal at the Canal House in Gas Street Basin. It was quite funny. We turned up there as walk-ins, asking for a table of 8 and a dog, and they said, no, we're not accepting walk-ins. So we went outside, looked online. They've got an online booking system. It said they had space available. So then we booked online for a table for 8 plus a dog within 10 minutes, and then went back in and said, yep, table booked. I said, yep, come on, here you go. Anyway, lovely meal, stuffed. Today's our longest day, so we're going down Wolverhampton and we're going to end at Brood. It's about 10 to 7, so we better set off. Top of Wolverhampton. We're going to stop off and fill up with water, empty the bins, empty the loo, and then head down the flight. So there's 21 locks, so we'll see how we get on. Well, we're a few locks down the 21. We caught up this boat at Factory 3. They've hired it and it's their first time boating, which is absolutely fine. But they're a little bit new to it. Where are we, do you know? Wolverhampton. So Wolverhampton?
Wolverhampton?
Yeah.
Bye.
We're at lock 7. I think footage is going to be few and far between down 21 because I'm going ahead, quite a few locks ahead of the high boat in front to try and help them get ahead. Rocked a bit.
So we've got 50 litres per tank.
Oh, cool. Oh, it's got actual... It's
50?
actually engraved in.
Yeah, someone scored it and then...
Oh, the boat that keeps on giving. Our temporary fridge hasn't been working since the start of the trip, which was when it was set off, the day after Boxing Day. So I'm going to try and use up some of the last little bits that we've got in there. So I've got some broccoli, some cheddar, loads of other random veg, so I'm going to try and make a little soup. phone died at the top of Audlem flight, so I have zero footage from my own phone. Anyway, we tied up about lunchtime, got sorted, helped our friends up the locks as well, and now we've very kindly been offered a shower by some other friends who are more in the village. So we'll just hop on our way, get showered, get clean, and give them some flowers as a thank you.